Now the problem with an attic, it's like that junk drawer in your house that gets everything thrown into it. The attic is like the junk drawer of your entire house. Take a look at all the stuff that's up here, and here's the problem. So often the stuff gets put everywhere, even where it shouldn't be. We had a lot of boxes on the ductwork here. Never a good idea.
And rarely do you have a vertical wall like this that you can build traditional shelving, so we're having to solve this problem by building a little shelf section here by hanging the shelf off the roof rafters.
And what we did was actually just create some L brackets out of 2x4s. We measured, got the right distance there, and again, just used a little bit of some drywall screws, putting into the rafters here, made sure it was level and plumb, and that got all the weight off our duct.
Makes it a lot easier if you have a reference point. So we used a chalk line to pop a line across the top part of this so that the top part of the brackets would all line up. That way when we put our shelf board in, everything works out really nice. Now we only have the 3 brackets up right now so that we could kind of wiggle our shelf board in. We're about to put up a couple more so that we can make sure that it'll support any of the weight we put on this.